Hi everybody,
Hi guys.
Connor and Alyssa here. We're gonna go over some proper brushing techniques, so pay attention, it's really important. So first off, when brushing your teeth, we're gonna grab your toothbrush. Okay, once you got that grabbed, you're gonna wanna get it wet. So we got our cups here. Oh, drop mine.
Struggling more pro.
All right, let's go ahead and show them what to do.
You're gonna want to get all angles of your tooth. So you're gonna want to brush in circles and don't forget your gums.
Really important. You're good at this.
Don't forget to brush your tongue too.
Of course, once you're done brushing, you're gonna need the floss. Okay, all right. Go ahead and pull that in for me. So you're gonna want to make a C when you're flossing. And
Wrap it around your tooth to make that C.
Hold it tight. And of course, after you're all finished, you're gonna rinse. Perfect. And that's how you brush your teeth.